Hey, what's going on, guys? Back to you with another video. Kind of having a problem with the Chevy Suburban today. I noticed that I've been smelling gas, and it's like it's not coming from the rear tank or nothing like that. I checked up under it for leaks. The fuel filter fine, but it's definitely coming from up under the hood. You know. Because like when you get up under the car, you don't smell it. You don't see any leaks anywhere. But when you get up under the hood, you smell it. And the engine light just popped on. So I have to go look for my diagnostics little scanner. So I hook it up to the OBDs and see what it's reading. But before I do that, I need to find that fuel smell. The fuel smell might have something to do with the engine light, but we'll see. And I need a new gas cap anyway, but that's not the problem because I don't smell any fuel around the gas tank, gas thing. I smell it coming directly from up under the hood. So let me go up under here and show you guys. All right. Now I know normally, like right now, it's a strong gas smell, and I know it might sound crazy, but I pinpoint, like when I go to the left side of the engine, I put my head up in that, you don't really smell it, but when you come to the right side, you smell it, but you don't see anything visible leak. The lines or nothing ain't leaking, and I'm thinking too that it could be like an injector that's leaking or squirting out too, but I just don't see anything like visibly. So, and then I know sometimes these can be the corporate on here, the fuel pressure regulator, but it's not leaking or anything. And then when I run it, I pull this off. I don't see any gas squirting out of there, like nothing weird. You know, that don't mean that it couldn't be bad and putting too much fuel in the fuel rails and giving it that odor, but I'm just gonna rule that out for now. And I need to take that off and get up under there, see so I can see everything, make sure ain't nothing squirting up under there. But right now I don't see anything, but I will keep you guys updated. I'm gonna keep looking because I don't know if I'm gonna find anything today. I'm gonna look a little bit more, and then I'm gonna cut this video short. But I'm gonna give you guys an update video to let you know what I find. All right, guys. Catch you on the next update video later.